I saw the moon just whisper low. It told me secrets I shouldn't know. A silver light that softly bends, hiding truths where shadows end. It danced on waves, a quiet tune, a melody beneath the moon. The stars just watched and held their breath as time stood still, defying death. Oh, the glow the moon bestows, a story told in shadow prose. It sings to me a lullaby, a secret lost up in the sky. Jing jong jing shai bnai jing shai bnai jing shai. I asked the moon what lies it kept. It winked at me while others slept. A lover's cry, a broken vow, hiding truths where shadows end. In every phase it shifts its face to hide the truths it can't erase. But in the dark it softly hums, a song of where the silence comes. Oh, the glow the moon bestows, a story told in shadow prose. It sings to me a lullaby, a secret lost up in the sky. A story told in shadowed prose. It sings to me a lullaby, a secret lost up in the sky. Hop ding jing.